How can I identify poor HVAC workmanship? You can spot it through unsafe wiring, incorrect installation, weak airflow, poor drainage, and work that fails to follow local codes or the equipment manufacturer's instructions. Start by checking whether the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment sits level, is firmly supported, and has enough space for service and safe airflow. Electrical wires should be neatly secured inside approved boxes or panels with no loose connections, exposed copper, or oversized breakers. Ductwork should be sealed at its joints, insulated where needed, and connected without sharp bends or crushed sections that restrict air. A useful detail many homeowners miss is that dirty-looking sealant, gaps around ducts, or disconnected insulation can waste energy even when the system still appears to work. Condensate drain pipes should slope properly, include a safe termination, and have protection against water damage near ceilings or walls. After installation, the contractor should test airflow, temperature difference, refrigerant levels when applicable, electrical readings, and system safety controls rather than simply turning the unit on. Ask for written measurements, permits, warranty information, and maintenance instructions, because professional work should be explainable and documented. Warning signs include rooms that stay uncomfortable, unusual sounds, repeated short cycling, burning smells, water leaks, or a system that cannot reach the thermostat setting. One common mistake is judging the job only by appearance, so ask to see the testing results and permit records instead. Another misconception is that colder air always means better cooling. Extremely low airflow can signal a blocked filter, undersized ductwork, or a failing blower, so compare comfort across rooms and have airflow checked. People also overlook drainage because the unit still runs, but a missing safety switch can allow a clogged drain to cause expensive water damage, so confirm that the drain and shutoff protection are tested. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.